In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix audio and video not in sync on Google. If videos in your browser sound ahead of the visuals or lag behind, these quick fixes in Google Chrome usually get things back in step without any extra tools. Start by opening Chrome and clicking the three dots in the top right corner to open the menu. From there, go to Settings. This is where we'll make a few adjustments that target the most common causes of audio-video desync. In Settings, open Privacy and Security. Temporary files and old site data can interfere with playback timing, so choose Clear Browsing Data. In the dialog that appears, select Cached Images and files. You can also include cookies and other site data if you're comfortable with being signed out of sites. For a thorough reset, set the time range to all time, then click Delete Data. Give Chrome a moment to finish. Next, open the menu again and go to Extensions. If you see a shortcut, choose Manage Extensions. Extensions can hook into web pages and media players, which sometimes causes delays. Temporarily turn off all extensions by toggling their switches to the off position. Don't worry, you can turn them back on later. Now go back to your Settings tab so we can adjust a performance option. In the left sidebar, click System. Find the setting labeled Use Hardware Acceleration when available and turn it off. Hardware acceleration can improve performance on many systems, but when drivers are fussy or out of date, it can cause stutters or sync drift. If Chrome asks to relaunch, let it restart so the change takes effect. With performance squared away, let's make sure Chrome itself is up to date. In the left sidebar, click About Chrome. The browser will automatically check for updates and begin downloading if one is available. When it's done, click to update or relaunch so you're running the latest build, which often includes media playback fixes. At this point, try playing the same video again and listen for alignment between speech and lips or action and sound. If everything sounds right, you can return to extensions later and re-enable your must-haves one at a time, testing as you go. If the issue comes back after enabling a specific extension, you've likely found the culprit. If you still notice minor lag, keep hardware acceleration off and stay on the latest Chrome version. Those two changes alone resolve most cases. That's it. Quick, reliable steps to bring audio and video back in sync in Google Chrome.